The statement of the Transport Minister, Bob Movin Gudino, has exposed the myth that this is a double engine sarkar. His words says, आमका आदेश येला सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंटाचो 15 वर्साचे भितर स्क्रॅप करच्यो. म्हाका विचारपाचें हा ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टराक, तूं आदेशाचेर जो चलता हेजो तूं कित्याक आसाय? So you're just a bogie attached to the engine. There is no double engine. I would like to remind him that Goa is not a union territory. Goa is a state, and therefore the Goa local government should take a policy decision. And for that we demand, the AMC demands that have a public hearing on this matter, take everybody into confidence, and let Goa State Cabinet decide what it is, and let the people of Goa know that it is the Goa government that has decided and not central government. So don't bluff the people of Goa by saying this is a double engine sarkar. This is a single engine sarkar. This local government, by Movin's statement, has made it very clear that the local government, as Goa government, unfortunately has brought the prestige and dignity of our state to such a low that it is playing in the hands of the central government. If Adesh of the central government is followed, why are you required? Go home. Let the bureaucrats run the administration. I would like to remind people of Goa, and people of Goa, remember, when General Jacob during President rule was ruling Goa, was controlling Goa, administrating Goa, we received the best administration, better than any of those successive governments. We demand stop being a puppet in the hands of the center. Maintain our dignity, maintain our Goa bond, and let Goa decide what is good for Goa.